Let me double check everything. Ayan, good morning everyone. I think everything is okay. Audio, yeah, I think audio is good. Alright, today we're gonna be talking about, ayan, i-share ko po sa inyo. I'm gonna be making my 2TradeAsia Prime account public. Pakita ko po sa inyo, kahit yung port ko, papakita ko po para sa inyo. But today I'm gonna be sharing to you a very beautiful platform which I am very proud to say will be very helpful for you. Alright? So, this is 2TradeAsia Prime Platform. Share ko po sa inyo. Tignan natin lahat ng mga magagandang aspects ng tool na ito. Anong pwede nyo pong magamit. As a trader, it's very helpful for you. But before we go to that, unahin po natin muna yung mga comments ng mga tao. And go, Joel Igares, good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. And good morning to my daughter to. Nakalimutan ka na naman. Good morning. And Hops, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Congrats on your TV appearance. Ayan, lumabas ako sa ABS-CBN kahapon. Thank you so much. And kailan sinot po yun? Kahapon din lang, they were asking for some tips on paano mag-ipon and what is the importance of pag-ipon. And they were asking bakit kahit marami ng Pilipino ang may trabaho ngayon, naghihirap, marami pa rin naghihirap. So we were talking about that yesterday. But yun, lumabas kahapon, Aldison humanda, and Sir ISM po, si ISM still okay for me. Magbodega lang, or wag mo nang malaking pera. Antayin natin January 31, right? Pag nag-uptrend na yan si ISM, dyan kayo magdagdag ng pera. Again, in trading, the trend is your friend. Work with that. And Francis, ayun. Leo, good morning. And Leo, good morning. Then Brilliant Uncle, good morning, Sir. Like everyone, X, please. Alright, sulat natin si X. Kamustahin natin si X. Alright. Si X, maganda pa rin ang technical analysis ni X. So, we'll talk about that. Uy, si Win, kahapon, laki ng panalo. Siya yung nasa una sa lista natin. But, yun yung gumalaw kaagad. Right, X, natawa ako kay Web. Because, during my seminar, last seminar ko sa Manila with 2TradeAsia, we were talking about Web. Right? Sabi ko sa kanila, Web is doing well. Right? As a company, and it's showing good technical analysis. I think it has bottomed out. So sabi ko sa nila, mag-test buy na kay Web. There it is, gumalaw si Web. Hindi ko na-recommend kahapon si Web because I waited for it to break out. Pero ang breakout naman, grabe naman kahapon. That's the problem with also being conservative, right? Kung iniintay yung gumalaw isang stock, minsan baka maiwan kayo. So, mas maganda talaga kung mag-test buy na kayo sa baba. Kaya sinasabi ko lagi, habang hindi pa uptrend yan, huwag nyo po habulin kung mag-uptrend na. Habang hindi pa uptrend, if it's showing you stability already, you already test out those supports. So, yun yung nangyari kay Web kahapon. James, good morning, sir. Congrats sa interview sa TV Patrol. Thank you so much. And Arvin Velasquez, good morning to all. Right, Dave Guapo Daddy's good morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. And to my wife, Flory. Ayan, good morning, Flory and Dave. Watching from South Korea. Good morning sa inyo. Mabel San Jose. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Nakaka-proud ang appearance mo sa TV Patrol. Thank you so much. Right, kahit ako, proud din ako. So, somehow, napapansin na yung advocacy natin para tumulong talaga sa mga Pilipino, not just in the stock market but about financial literacy overall, right? Jose Tamondong, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Happy Three Kings. Sana makasakay tayo sa 3 haring siling mamaya kung meron man, sir ha. Sana nga. Casel John Visay, good morning, sir. Pasuyo po ng AGI. Pure Gold, TEL and SCC. AGI, Pure Gold, TEL and SCC. I'll write these down. Daanan natin yan mamaya. Pati si ISM. Right, tingnan natin ang chart ni ISM. Right, kahapon bumaba si ISM but still okay. It's still holding on the support. So wala pa rin kinatatakutan. Tristan Porcadas, morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika. Any thoughts, sir, about bagong balita about ISM? May bagong balita daw kasi na may nagsasubmit na naman, i-disqualify na naman nila yung pagkaturo, pagkapili ni Miss Latel. So far, if people will sell out because of they're afraid of that news, for me, wala pa namang confirmed na bad news. And I'm an investor here. So, I'm not trading it. So, kung if trader kayo, baka bumaba dahil dyan. Right? That's something you should be looking at. Pero kung bumaba man yan, pero hindi naman talaga bad news yan. It's just something that people are fearful of. Hindi naman overall bad news yan. So, kung bababa yan, tapos, I believe I'm just gonna be buying more, right? Yun lang inaano ko. If it's gonna go down, I'll just buy more kasi I'm an investor there. Diyan naman talaga yan. Ang dami naman talaga mga takutan dyan. So, hindi mawawala yan. So, if you're a trader, if it breaks support, I recommend you cut your losses if you're a trader there. Actually, ako nakapag-take profits na po kasi ako dyan. Right? Yung natitira kong ISM is for long term na yan. Right? Inilaan ko po yan for long term. Tinanim ko lang po yan muna dyan. So, whatever happens in the near future, as long as walang confirmed na bad news talaga, I'm still gonna hold it out. Right? Kier Pandes, good morning. Gudo from Musica. Right? Tristan, yan. Claire Manzano, good morning to all. Happy New Year tuloy. Pa-shoutout sa mga taga Polomolok, South Cotabato. Ayan, good morning po sa inyo mga taga Polomolok, especially to Claire. Ayan, Happy New Year po sa inyo. Pokemon Blader, YouTube, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Uy, Idan po. Ayan, si Idan. Good morning, Idan. Galing Butuan pa ito sila. Right, good morning sa inyo dyan. Hindi, si Idan is nasa, ito yung son ni Jovelyn. Right, good morning, Idan. Iba pala yun. Yan. Good morning, Idan. Musika 04. Morning, Sir Lloyd. Bicor po. Thank you. And si Bicor. Ang dami na namang naipit. Sabi ko sa inyo, huwag niyo po habulin yan. We're expecting for it to do a pullback. Noon pa. Pero walang pullback. So, the higher it flies, the harder it falls. And ayun na kahapon ang nangyari kay Bicor. We'll check out Bicor's chart in a bit. Sana hindi po kayo naghabol. I told you it's gonna do a pullback anytime soon, and it did a massive pullback yesterday. Casel, John Visaya, MPI, Meg, and CLI. Paul, let's check these out. These are very good companies you posted here. And Josephine Marcelo, one moment, please. Josephine Marcelo, good morning, Sir Lloyd. How about IDC and Tugo, Vul? Thanks. I'll check that out. One moment, please. Give me 10 seconds. May Yan, sorry about that. Kumuha lang ako ng tubig kasi sumasakit ang lalamunan ko. Alright. Casel, yun. Josephine Marcelo, good morning, Sir Lloyd. How about IDC, Tugo, Vulcan, IDC, Tugo, Vulcan. Isulat natin yan. IDC Tugo, Vulcan. Thanks, right. IDC did a good climb yesterday. Si Tugo and Vulcan, eto si Tugo, may linuluto si Tugo eh. So, I'm gonna check out Tugo in a while. Confirm ko lang po yung mga balita kay Tugo before ko sasabihin talaga. But there's something up with Tugo. Right. Or Ryan, let me double check my audio. RJ, Abracosa, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Happy trading, everyone. Kim K, Sir Pedraza, Happy New Year, Sir Lloyd. Ano po masasabi nyo kay MPI? Daming projects niya po. MPI is very good. I've been very vocal about MPI. MPI po, long term nyo po yan. Grabe po yan. Maganda po yung company yan. Daming projects. So, kahit ngayon, simulan nyo na ang pag-iipon ng MPI. Ido Almo, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Watching here in New York. Yan, good morning sa inyo dyan. Uy, from New York. Layo I think gabi ngayon sa New York, 'di ba? So good evening sa inyo diyan. Happy New Year. Lawrence Basilio, Happy New Year. Jan and Angel Ekano. Ayan, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Your recommendation please for APX, Green, PXP, PHI, ARSN, ABG. Sikat na sir ay nakikita sa TV. Thank you so much. Alright, let me write these down. Alright. Tingnan natin yan mamaya. Alright. Joel Nueca, good morning, Sir Lloyd. CLI Tugs, ayan, CLI and Tugs are doing well. Alright. Primex, Holcim po. Ayan, si Tugs is showing us a good support. Actually, sinulat ko kanina si Tugs but nagdadalawang isip ako sa medyo masyadong aggressive pa ngayon pumasok kay Tugs. I'm just waiting for confirmation kay Tugs. Explain ko sa inyo mamaya bakit hindi ko pa nire-reco si Tugs ngayon. Asan yan? Tugs, Primex, Holcim, yan, HLCM, Ven Borreros, good morning, sir, Happy New Year, then Alrazo, good morning, sir, MBT po, please, MBT, ang ganda pa rin ng galaw eh, kaso nga lang, andun sa taas si MBT eh, so I really don't like, chasing after these positions. Si MBT po, nirecommend natin yan dun sa baba. As much as possible, dun po natin sa baba pinapasok yan. Ngayon na nasa taas na, let it go na lang, right? That's the discipline you need to have in trading, is most especially. Chrislyn Corpus, Happy New Year, Sir Lloyd. Everyone, please check B-Core. Ayun, bumaba. Teka lang ha. Please check B-Core, DD, ISM, MAC, and MRC. This is from Chrislyn. I'll write these down. I think we're gonna have enough time naman ngayon but yun, sige, as much as possible, daanan natin lahat ng request niyo. Right, Chrislyn. Tyrone Javier, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Saw you on TV Patrol yesterday. Level up na, sir. Pasuya, Sir Web, DD, Ace, and FNI. Thank you so much. Yan, let's write these down. Si Web, ang ganda ng galaw ni Web kahapon. Ang laki ng gain. Right, good job sa mga pumasok kay Web. Ambo Books, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Included din po ba sa session sa weekend yung financial literacy? Thanks. Alright, I have a seminar this weekend about financial literacy. I'm planning to have a weekend episode, right? Hindi siya daily grind. It's a weekend program. Gagawa po ako ng program dito sa Financial Freedom 101 about financial literacy itself, right? I'm expanding to financial literacy. Siguro kasi after 5 years itong trading, itong the daily grind, after 5 years, I think naturo ko na po sa inyo lahat ng kailangan. So those people na magjo-join pa lang sa stock market, pwede silang mag-check na lang ng mga videos na replay. So by that time, we'll focus more into financial literacy. Siguro naman by that time, nasabi na natin lahat ng kailangan ng mga newbies para matuto sa stock market to start well, 'di ba? So I'm starting to go into financial literacy kasi mas kailangan 'yan. Paano mag-stock ang mga tao walang pera pang ipon, pang buying power, 'di ba? So doon tayo mag-focus naman in the near future. So we'll expand to that. Right? Ambo Books, 'yan. So this weekend, pasensya na, the sessions I have, may seminar ako Saturday, Sunday, 9 in the morning. If you want to join that, it's for trading so that you can start trading properly, right? Send me a message. That seminar, what do you call this, Ambo, is really focused into trading, but you can send me questions if you have any financial literacy questions naman dito sa Facebook ko, right? Arvic De La Cruz, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Happy New Year din. Happy New Year din. Junker Del Rosario, good morning. BDO, yan, let's write down BDO. BDO is in the middle kasi. So, I think BDO is okay to buy. Let's check out BDO ulit. Jerry Herrera, good morning, Idol Lloyd. Good morning din, Jerry. Alright, kamusta ang Forex mo, Jerry? Right, Annie Lynn, good morning, sir. CEI, sir. Thanks. Alright, CEI. Let's check out CEI. Sulat natin. Right, CEI. Right. Christine Alayon. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Ideas naman po sa SEC. Thanks. Si SEC, let's check out SEC's chart, right? Somehow stabilizing naman si SEC. Sir E. Dominguez. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Happy New Year, everyone. Katrina Urbano. Good morning, sir. Safe pa ba pumasok kay Win? Win. Kahapon yung best entry kay Win. Alright, we did recommend Win yesterday. I don't think it's good to get in today. Let me share my screen. Win. Yan. No, I don't think I won't recommend getting in kay Win ulit ngayon. Yesterday was the best entry point. I did recommend Win yesterday. Tumaas na siya kahapon. It went as high as around 7%, I believe. Nag 7% yan si Win kahapon, so nag-take profits lang yung iba. We're very near resistance, so I don't recommend going after that. Dapat dito sa baba pumuposisyon na tayo. Kahapon, nag-scalping ako kay Apple. Right, Apple. Right, I want to share this one. eToro. This is eToro. Kahapon, this is the one-day chart ni Apple. I thought Apple was gonna go up. Right? Kahapon, pula pa yan kahapon. Started very low yesterday. We have an engulfing pattern here. So, a little lesson lang. So, we have engulfing pattern. It was almost at 20 na RSI. And then, it did an engulfing. So, that is usually a good start of an uptrend. Kahapon, nag-gap down si Apple. So, I thought, this is a gap down. Magandang scalping ito. So, nag-scalping ako kahapon kay Apple. And there it is. Kumita tayo kahapon. This is the gap down yesterday. This is the 1-minute chart I'm opening right here. Right. So this is the gap down yesterday. Right. So we have an engulfing pattern. Nag-stabilize. Pwede na pasukin yan sana kung pumasok ako dyan. But I entered kind of late. Dito na ako pumasok. It was already on an uptrend right here. That's MA20. Right. MA20. And then I bet on the MA20. Nag-stabilize lang siya ng konti. It went below MA20 but nag-recover naman kaagad. So my cut loss was not hit. This is important that you do not put your cut loss very near. And I was able to ride this climb of Apple yesterday. It was a big nag-leverage pa ako. Kagandahan sa eToro is you can leverage, right? You can do leverage. And yun, nag-gain tayo kahapon. Kahapon pumasok din ako kay Google. Right, if you are copying my trades, for sure you're gaining already, right? eToro, if you want me to be your financial, what do you call this? Your tawag dyan sa mga kaibigan ko, fund managers, right? If you want me to be your fund manager, I can be your fund manager. Pumasok ako kay Google kahapon to trade it, right? Tingnan natin yung chart ni Google, bakit ako pumasok. And let's go to the 1-day chart of Google. I'm gonna share to you. Bakit? We have an engulfing pattern and I was seeing a higher low kay Google. Kaya pumasok ko kahapon and it's starting to go already. That's good price action. That's a higher low. Right, that's why I traded it. Kaya pumasok ako. Ang ganda. Kakababa lang ni Google. I'm seeing a strong support at this area. This is still the same system I'm using in the Philippine Stock Exchange. I'm using it in Google, in international markets, and eToro. You can do this also. Kagandahan dito is hindi kailangan na kayo lang mag-trade. You can copy me actually. Search nyo lang po si Bazar and you can copy my trades, right? So, yan, this is eToro. Make an eToro account using my link sa baba. Meron akong link sa video description. Please use that. That will help me so much in return. Right? Pwede nyo po akong i-copy trade or pwede nyo pong kunin ang ibang tao mas magaling pa sa akin for copy trading, right? Kung whatever he earns in the future, you are gonna earn also in percentage, syempre, diba? So yan, check out eToro. Please create an link, create an account using my link sa baba. It's free to create an account. Meron pa kayong virtual funds dyan na libre para matesting nyo po yung system. If you wanna go worldwide market, right? International markets, pwede po kayo dito sa eToro. Right? So, yan. Going back, bakit ako napunta sa eToro? Safe pa ba pumasok kay Win? Right? WPI po, coach. Pa-check. Naipit ako dati pero i-hold lang. Ngayon, it's in my average na. Thanks. Uy, kay WPI. Ang ganda ng galaw ni WPI kahapon. Let's check out WPI. Right? at least nakabawi ka na, laya ka na, right? Hi, good morning, Sir Lloyd. This is from Roberto. LTG at Ali. All right, let's check these out. LTG and Ali. Alright, LTG and Ali. Jeffrey Sabalya, good morning Sir Lloyd and Laika. TBC, congrats sir. Thank you so much. IDC, nasulat na natin si IDC. Let's check out the chart of IDC. And well, Justin Salvador, good morning Sir Lloyd. It's been a while since nakapanood ako sa'yo. No trading ako lagi, basta December. CHP po sir, pa-check. Alright, so CHP is showing us a resistance. So, huwag nyo muna pasukin. Wait for the pullback. Yun yung sabi ko sa inyo. Wait for the pullback lang. It's best to wait for pullbacks during this market na manipis pa ang market volume natin. Napakalit pa ng market volume. So, it's not right time to be aggressive pa. So, wait for pullbacks. Wag nyo po, as much as possible, wag po breakouts ang papasukin nyo. Right? Ayan. Junie Herrera, good morning. Tiffany Bob 26, hi Sir Lloyd, idol, napanood kita kagabi. Congrats, thank you so much. Aido Almo, Sir Lloyd, pwede ba pasilip si IRC? Si IRC is still doing well. Right, it's the support is holding well for IRC. Let's check out the chart. Anyway, Max Stats, good morning sir. How about ABG? And si ABG, ang daming drama so I really don't want to recommend it. Pero sulat pa rin natin si ABG. Scobarb 777, good morning po. Bell and PLC po. Thank you. Right, Bell and PLC. Right. Ito lang muna siguro. Bell and PLC. Ito lang muna request na tingnan natin. We'll go to your picks more in a bit. Alright? Angelo Rubia, good morning Sir Lloyd. Isa ako sa mga students mo sa Manila. Ask ko lang po how much yung fee doon sa weekend session na nakapost sa group. Thanks. Actually, if student na kita, Angelo, the weekend session is free for you. Pwede mag-join ang mga students if they want to review. So, Angelo, send me a message. Hindi pa kita na-invite sa group. Meron na tayong group. You can join that for free already so that you can access the replays. Right. Lolita Rulyoda, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Ali SMPH, MPI Food. Salamat ng dami po. Right. So, ito lang muna. Right, guys. Let's go to the topic today. It's already 8:40 as usual. That's when we start our discussion. So, today I'm gonna be sharing to you the prime platform of 2TradeAsia, right? Gawin ko na po tong public ang port ko. So, here it is. So, this is how the prime platform looks like when you open it, right? So, this is my account, 2TradeAsia Prime, right? You access it through prime.2tradeasia.com, right? Kung may access na kayo sa Prime, right? First of all, how do you access Prime? Right? Para ma-access niyo po ang Prime, you have to yung mga previous na may 2TradeAsia account na, you can access Prime for free for 1 month. Right? May 1 month po kayo na free access for 2TradeAsia Prime. That is so that you can test it out. Bakit hindi siya basta-basta binibigay sa mga usual na mga traders? Because this is very data heavy. Right? Data heavy kasi taka lang ha. Tingnan ko lang. May open lang ako. 1 moment please. Right, so ayan, may binuksan lang ako. This is very data heavy. Imagine, ito lang page na ito. This is multiple bid volume, bid ask. Ilang data ang sinesend ni 2TradeAsia sa atin sabay-sabay in one time. That's very heavy. Isang page lang ito. So that whenever a business sends out data to people, kumakain ng bandwidth yan, and bandwidth is money, right? Every time you increase your capacity of sending data, you need money. So gumagastos po ng malaki ang 2TradeAsia for this platform. And that's why para win-win naman sa mga sa mga subscribers nila, sa mga clients nila, they make this available for those active traders. This platform is built for active traders talaga. If you're an investor, you don't really need this that much. Kung isang beses lang kayo bumili a week or twice a week lang, you don't really need this that much, right? But if you're an active trader, this is gonna be very useful sa inyo. So, to create an account, kailangan nyo po ng, yung lista ko. Ang kailangan nyo po is Right. If you already have an account, may 1 month po kayo free access nito para matesting nyo po. And then to continue that, you have to have 100,000 accumulated trades, right? 100,000 worth of trades a month, right? Sa mga wala pang account, right? Sa mga wala pang account po, you can access this. Ang initial opening po nito is 200,000 if you want to access this Prime account, right? Para makagamit po kayo. But somehow for now, yung mga gagawa po ng account ngayon, libre pa. You can test this for free, right? So kung gagawa po kayo early this on, pwede niyo po ma-access ito for 1 month. At least ma-testing niyo po. So I'm gonna show to you why that is worth it, right? It's kind of big, but it's really worth it. Number 1, ito nakikita ninyo sa screen ninyo ngayon. This is the index na this is the index na galaw. Makikita niyo po dito ang local buying and foreign buying and sell. Lalabas po dito magkano. Usually, kung magkano ang local ang buying and local selling, all the informations dito, makikita nyo po kaagad. But what I wanna show you here is, look at this area right here, itong watch list. Ang ganda po nito. In the watch list, hindi lang isang watch list ang pwede nyong gawin. You can make up to 5. Pwede dito watch list ninyo for trading watch list ninyo. You can click on 2. This, you can put here mga investment watch list ninyo if you want to, but you can have at most 5 watch lists. And then, that's the beauty of it, right? Makikita nyo kagad sa watch list. Ang watch list nyo dyan. So, just click on it and then, I'm gonna just log in again. So, watch list, for example, si ABA, lalabas kaagad si ABA, Ali. So, quick access sa mga stocks na gustong-gusto ninyo, right? But let's go here. Ang feature na ipapakita ko po sa inyo is multiple bid and ask. Ito yung mga stocks na gusto nyo talagang tinitingnan. Kasi dito, hindi nyo makikita yung bid and ask, diba? So, like si ABA, walang last price lang and percentage change within the day. Hindi nyo pa, zero pa lang yan kasi hindi pa nag-open the market. But here, makikita nyo po ang top 6, is this 5? Right? 5 bid and ask sa stocks ninyo na gusto. You can add more. For example, ISM video, SM page. For example, dagdag mo dito si web. And then you just click on enter and then web is gonna be there. Marami po yan. And you can put your trading stocks here. Click on number 2 dito sa taas. Click on number 2. You can put your investment stocks here. You can have at most 5. You can add more even. Right? So let's go back to 1. So this is the beauty of this. Napaka-visible kaagad ng mga stocks na gustong-gusto ninyong pasukin. For example, meron akong list ngayon. For example, ang list ko ngayon na re-recommend sa inyo si Tech, Poppy, CIC, Ali, AC, APX, and Primex. Pwede nyo po ilagay dito yung 4 na yan. Makikita nyo kagad yung bid and ask. Right? This is multiple bid and ask. You go here to, I hope this is clear. You can edit this. Mas marami pa kung gusto nyo. Pwede yung 5 levels. Right? Pwede yung ganito na mas marami. Pwede yung 2 column, which is the current view right now. Or you can use this. 3 columns ang dami. Right? And, yun yung sinasabi ko. Napakarami pong data sinesend ng 2TradeAsia all at the same time. And I tell you, wala pong delay. Ang ganda po ng platform. Right? Walang delay sa mga data na kailangan ninyo. Right? So, I'm just gonna go back to this. Kasi konti lang naman ang tinitingnan ko. Now, we go to bid and ask. Ayan. So, pwede nyo i-bid and ask. Pwede nyong makita kaagad ito mas malaki yung bid and ask. What if marami kayong bid and ask? Makikita dyan last, mas more detailed compared to the watch list. Makita nyo po dito ang last price, difference ng nangyari sa kanya, percentage change, volume, and value. Then you can go to your watch list number 2, watch list number 3. Diba may watch list tayo dito, number 2. You can access it here, watch list 2. Or even your portfolio. Yung portfolio niya, for example, ako, ISM yung nasa portfolio ko dito eh. So, portfolio dito, ISM. Yan, makikita nyo kaagad. But let's go back to watch list number 1. So, this is very nice. Very accessible. Next is stock quotations. Yan. So, andyan rin yung mga quotations. Yan. And then, market pressures. This is very important. Pwede market pressure ang tinitignan nyo. So, watch list 1 ko, pag humaba yung pulang yan, meaning, nagsiselling na ang mga tao. Pag lumaki ang green, that means malaki ang buying. For example, ngayon, BDO. In the closing kahapon, ang laki ng bidding kay BDO. Let's see if this is gonna hold out today. So I think BDO is gonna climb. Malaki ang meron din itong information na binibigay sa inyo. Meaning, maraming nagbabuying kay BDO pag lumaki ang green. So, pag lumaki ang buying niyan, makikita nyo kaagad. Right? So, that's the market pressure. That's the first page of the stock market. Pwede dito, the homepage, let's go to refresh, let's refresh the homepage. Meron ditong calculator, trade calculator. Very useful sa inyo if you want to check out the use the calculator on your sales. Meron dito accessible. So, hindi niyo kayo mahirapan. Very helpful. Right? Gusto niyo yung gray na theme, gusto niyo yung white na theme. I usually use the black theme. Right? And so black theme ang gusto ko. Right? Portfolio, pwede lalabas dito ang portfolio ninyo. Glance, pwede niyo i-close yan. The ticker, pwede lumabas ang ticker if you like the ticker. And the sidebar is there. At yun yung sidebar kanina, sidebar. Etong isa sa pinakamaganda, the buy and sell. Right? Pwedeng lumabas ang buy and sell ng mabilis. Right? If you saw your stock is doing good already, right? If you saw your stock is doing well here or nakita niyo sa market pressure, uy, si BDO, ayun, nag-pre-open ng market. Uy, si BDO, laki ng buying, right? BDO. So I'm just gonna buy BDO. So dito lang, eto maganda. You can turn your confirmation password on or kung gusto niyo mabilis, you can turn it off. Just type in your password, right? You can disable the confirmation password so that when you click on buy, hindi na siya mag-a-ask ng password, automatically na mag-sell. But if you want more secure one, pwede nyo i-on ulit. Right? You can turn it off. Right? Ako, ino-off ko yan lagi kasi gusto ko mabilis magbili and sell. Right? So, go to buy and sell. Ganyan, pwede ganyan. And then stock, then volume, price, expiry. This is GTC, GTW, or within the day. Type is limit type. Iceberg, kung gusto nyo mag-iceberg. And disclose, kung lalabas yung disclose, kung mag-iceberg kayo. Right? I already taught you about iceberg. And then, just click on buy. Then, makikita nyo po dito yung mga pending orders ninyo. You can close this out if you want to. But, napakadali po mag-buy. Napakadali po mag-sell. Hindi pa kayo magkakamali. Kasi, maraming newbies na pag pindot lang ng order, kailangan nyo pa impindot yung buy. Kailangan nyo pa impindot yung sell after. Kasi, baka buy tuloy yung napindot ninyo. Kasi, kahit gusto nyo magbenta sana. So, click on sell. Naka-automatic sell na po yan. Click on buy, naka-automatic buy na po yan. So, it's very accessible. You can go full screen or you can make it like this, right? And then, meron po ditong hotkeys, right? Hotkeys, Alt F11, Alt F12, makikita nyo kaagad yan. You can go through this if you want to. Right? So, that's just the page. That's just the homepage. Ang dami nyo kaagad makikita. Very useful for a trader. Number two page, di ba, nasa market tayo. Second tab is stocks. This is very important. I like this part of the platform, right? Ang ganda po. Makikita niyo po dito lahat ng details, even the foreign buying and selling, even the cross selling and the block selling, makikita niyo po yung mga details kaagad. Right? So, very helpful. And then disclosures of the stock, may makikita kayo dyan. Even the selling and buying pressure, makikita nyo kaagad dyan. Right? Very informative. Ito yung pinaka-importante. This is the depth of the buying and selling, right? You can go full depth. Lahat ng orders na kay Ali, makikita nyo po sa pinakamababa na buying at 30 pesos at pinakamalaking selling at 60 pesos. Grabe, may selling at 60 pesos, di ba? So, kay Ali yan, for example. Ayan. So, makikita nyo po yan, right? May ad lot dito, may normal lots, makikita nyo po yung mga ad lots. Right? For example, gusto nyo kay ISM, right? Makikita nyo po dyan. Yung ad lots kay ISM, this is the full depth if you want to. Gusto nyo makita talaga yung full depth ng selling tsaka buying, right? You can see it there. Right? Top 5 or top 10 kung gusto nyo. Usually, I look at the top 10. Right? So, next is time and sales for stock. For example, ISM. Kahapon, ang mga oras at mga nabebenta ng mga buyers, sinong buyer at seller, makikita nyo po dyan. Volume review, sino yung mga nagbebenta and anong price, magkano volume. Ito importante, buyers and sellers, makikita nyo po dito sino ang mga nagbobodega kay ISM, sino ang mga nagbebenta kay ISM, magkano yung value and volume na binili nila, magkano volume na binenta nila. So this is very important for you if you're that kind of trader. If nakikita nyo may mga nagbobodega, mga big players, makikita nyo dito. Right? So this is for the stock tab. Let's go to the broker tab. And broker activity, makikita nyo rin dito. For example, si Abacus. Ito yung mga kinagagalitan ng mga tao, si Abacus. Makikita nyo anong binabuying ni Abacus, ano ang mga sineselling nila. Right? So, makikita nyo dyan. At least, this is visible for you now. Yung mga sinasabi nila, uy, si Abacus nambubuhos. Makikita nyo dyan, nagsiselling sila dyan. Right? So, makikita nyo po kung mapubuhos or nag-iipon, nagtatambak sila or nagbobodega ng stocks. For example, ganyan. So, makikita nyo po dito, broker rankings, broker activities, and whatever broker ang gusto nyo hanapin. Right? Next tab is the index. Eto, this is the index. Very informative. Mga movers sa index natin, mga top gainers, losers, and most active sa index natin. And then, here's the mga performance nila for that day. And then makikita nyo po ang lahat ng sa India, ayan, sa mga iba pang mga index across the world, right? Index movers, makikita nyo po dito ang mga top index movers. These are the blue chips dito sa sa index natin. Makikita nyo po diyan, right, for the index. That's for the index tab if you like to look at blue chips, right? Next is stats. Right, top gainers, worst losers, most active, top traded, and analytics. Right, makikita nyo po dito. This is very important for traders also. For example, price performance, volume. Makikita niyan sa watch list ninyo. So makikita nyo po yung analytics ng what you call this, ng stocks ninyo na tinitingnan. Right? So eto, maganda. Fundamentals. Consensus. Ito yung gusto ko ipakita sa inyo. Go to analytics. For example, si ABA. Right? Makikita nyo po dito. Let's try a blue chip. JFC. Right? For example, si JFC. Right? Let's go to andun tayo sa stats and then go to analytics. Consensus. Let's try BDO. Bakit ayaw pumunta doon? Right? Dapat andun yun eh. Analytics, consensus. Let's go to the stocks. Research. Ayun, dito pala yun sa research. Let's go for BDO. This is very important. Puntahan natin yan mamaya. So, ito, sa stats muna natin, makikita nyo po analytics ng stocks ninyo. Then, the trade platform, this is, if gusto nyo manual trading, dito nyo makiklik yan. Gusto nyo sell, gusto nyo buy, makikita nyo orders nyo dito. Right? So, new order dito, anong stock, etc. So, while you're buying, makikita nyo rin yung mga details niyan. Alright? So, this is very important. View orders. Gusto nyo sa view orders and then dito nyo po pwedeng i-edit yung orders niyo or i-cancel. Right? Go to your portfolio. Makikita nyo po dito yung portfolio. This port started with 15,000. Pinakita ko po sa inyo to dati. This started with 15,000. Naging 22,000 yan before. Tapos may negative. So, naging around 19,002. But still, it's gaining overall. So, makikita nyo dyan sa portfolio nyo, kung gusto nyo consolidated, gusto nyo yung stock ng portfolio, makikita rin yan dito. Right? So, that's your port. Right? Then, research. This is very important for you guys. Right? This is, ito yung gusto ko i-share sa mga newbies especially. For example, si BDO, makikita nyo po ang consensus target. Right? Consensus, this is gathered na mga research, not just from 2TradeAsia, but overall, sa lahat, from other brokers, from other analysts. Right? Consensus yan. For example, here, BDO, it's at 127. Ang consensus niya is, it's currently at the average, 137. Ang biggest, ang target is 178. That's the highest point. Right? Right now, it is at the continue adding on your stocks kasi okay pa ang consensus ni BDO. It's still a buying overall. So, for investors, this is very helpful. Right? Sinasabi dito na magdagdag pa kayo. For example, si JFC. Right? Si JFC, ang consensus ni JFC, we're looking at 340. At yung sinasabi ko, 340 na ang target natin kay Jollibee. Dito nyo po makikita yan. Right? And right now, the average price of is 282. That's the best buy price at around 280. Right now, it's at 293. So right now, ang consensus rating niya is mag-add. It's still it's still at the good part. Andun pa rin sa green. So it's still okay to buy JFC. Right? 340 yung target natin dyan. Right? For JFC, for example, si Ali. Si Ali, A-L-I. Ayan, si Ali. Ayan. So, buy pa si Ali. Its average is 51. Ang presyo ni Jollibee ni Ayala ngayon is 41 pa. Right? That's at very low. Right? This is a very big buy. Nasa 5 ang consensus ni Ali. So, I strongly recommend buying Ali. 60 pa po ang target natin dyan kay Ayala. So, magbodega kayo Ayala. This is very useful. Ito yung gusto kong i-share po sa inyo. Especially kay 2TradeAsia. Very useful for newbies, right? Yung research part. Then the chart, yan. Ito yung normal chart nila, but you can use a trading view chart. Just click on this part right here. And then, there it is. Lalabas yung chart na yan. And then, you can upload your own chart layout. I have mine here, Lloyd Bazar. And makikita nyo po yung chart niyan while trading. And it's real time. Wala pong delay yung chart. I tested it out. So it's a very good charting if gusto niyo po mag-charting using 2TradeAsia. Right? Napakabilis po. And yan, pwede niyo dagdagan ng mga indicators kung gusto niyo. But yeah, this is, if you want to use the chart, this is a very nice chart from 2TradeAsia rin from the platform. And then the news, may access po kayo sa news lagi, lahat ng mga lumalabas. And even the tweets of 2TradeAsia, mga updates nila sila, SSS, Nikkei, Philippines, EG, Vulcan now. Yan, lumalabas po dyan yung mga tweets nila. Makikita nyo within the platform itself. Right? And here are the shortcut lists again. But that's 2TradeAsia platform. Very informative platform. Kita nyo po. Kaya it's really worth it. If you're really a trader, you will have so much information of a stock. Let's tignan natin mamaya yung projected opening. Ito yung mga tinatanong ng mga tao dito sa ano natin sa the daily grind. 2TradeAsia same ng First Metro Sec po. Yes, pares sila ng First Metro Sec, but 2TradeAsia much lesser. Right? So First Metro Sec is medyo malaki yung opening nila para magamit niyo po ito. Ganda niyan, pang trader talaga from SLY. Yes, it is. Pang spy pala yan. Yes, makikita niyo po dito. Very informative yan. Marami po kayong magagamit sa platform na ito. Hi Sir Lloyd, good morning from Italy here. Any insights kay WPI? Tingnan natin yan. Good day, Sir Lloyd. Thanks sa mga info mo. Sir Lloyd, good morning. Insights po kay MPI. Parang same sila ng First Metro Sec. Yes, First Metro Sec na Pro platform yung tawag nila, diba? They're similar with Pro platform. Sir Lloyd, good morning. Watching from Lusana, Laguna, Nickel. Ayan. Sir, what stocks do you recommend for long-term investment? Right. Sir, ayan. Yan. So, ito yung gusto ko i-share sa inyo ngayon. I'm gonna make a video more into this. I-include ko po yung mobile platform nila. The good thing about this is, what if lalabas kayo ngayon at meron kayong trading na stocks, baka hindi kayo makatrade sa labas. So, 2TradeAsia gives you an online platform. Right? Online platform. Online platform. It gives you a mobile platform na pwede po kayo doon mag-buy and sell. Right? So, even if you're outside, you can still trade. Ayan, gumagalaw na ang market, meaning 9 o'clock na. It's 9 in the morning. Magalaw na. Let's see if we can check the projected opening of, let's say, sino ba yung malaking galaw kahapon? Si Web. Right? So, here, ayan. So, let's see if meron na. Open, lapan detail, average, change, range, ayan. Ayan, projected opening price is 3.83 for Web, right? Yan yung projected price ni Web. So, that's very good. Closing niya is 3.82. Mag-open siya at 3.83. Makikita nyo po dito yung projected opening. So, timing. Patapos na tayo and ito yung pinaka-importante hinahanap ng mga tao. Right? 3.83. How to avail Prime ulit? You just open an account with 2TradeAsia and then they'll give you 1 month access to their Prime should you want to proceed with the Prime. Tapos niyan, if you wanna decide, ang criteria lang po nila is you have to maintain around 100,000 worth of worth of trade a month. 100,000 of worth of trades. For example, bumili ka ng 25,000 ni Jollibee ngayon, tas next week bibili ka ng 25,000, binenta mo, tas next week bili ka ng 25,000 sa kabilang stock, benta mo ulit, tas third week 25,000 ulit, tas benta, tas fourth week bili ka ng 25,000. That means you have met the criteria na 100,000 worth na value of traded. So, makapag-proceed po kayo the next month. Ganun lang. So, it's really good for active traders. Right? And so, ayan, pro version, yes, pro version ng First Metrosec, yes, they have the same, right? Pag may account ka po ba ng 2TradeAsia, makagamit ka ba rin ng Prime? Yung mga may ordinary account ng 2TradeAsia, you will have access to Prime for 1 month. If you don't have access to it, send a message to sa Facebook page ng 2TradeAsia so that they can activate your Prime. Sabihin nyo, gusto ko mag-free trial ng Prime. They'll give you access to this for 1 month. And should you want to proceed, pwede nyo po i-proceed yan. Alright, sir, pakicheck ang Bloom. Morning, Sir Lloyd and Laika, CLC. Sir Lloyd, B Corp po. 2TradeAsia is an accredited online broker, Sir Lloyd. Yes, they are. Actually, they are from, ang broker ni, what they call this, ni 2TradeAsia is, FYAP. FYAP. Paano ba natin? Right. Si FYAP yan. FYAP Securities yan si 2TradeAsia. Ito, FYAP. This is the brokerage of 2TradeAsia. Right? FYAP Securities. Si 2TradeAsia lang is their online arm. Right? Kasi si FYAP, they are what they call this, a traditional brokerage. Traditional po yung style nila. Yung mga malaking clients lang. They decided to go into online accounts, right? But hindi nila po hindi nila i-break yung trademark ni FYAP being a traditional brokerage. So they created 2TradeAsia. It's still under FYAP, so they're accredited. Sir Lloyd, I only opened an account with the amount of 5K sa 2TradeAsia on our last seminar. I want to open Prime account. Do you think I will benefit your side? And Bermot, yes, makaka-benefit kayo dito. But I tell you guys, 25K a month is really very small. So I recommend dagdagan nyo po yan. If you're trading, napakaliit po ng 5K para i-trade. Lugi pa kayo sa fees niyan. So, lakihan nyo po. Right? And if you're trading already, ayan, this will really benefit you. Alright, John Allen de la Cruz, Happy New Year, sir. Insights kay Poopy. Poopy is in my pick today. Iba yung projected price ni call. Alright, I'm not really sure. Tingnan natin. 3.82 na projected price ni call. How about ISM? Projected price is 5.93. So, makikita niyo po yan, projected price ng mga stocks. Projected opening. Alright, so let's go now to our, to our picks for today. So, mga gusto mag-trade, ito po yung mga picks ko today. Alright, let me just zoom in on this. Right, I'm gonna put on the comments yung top picks ko for today. Bakit kaya hindi sila press ng projected opening? Baka may delays lang, right? I'm not really sure why, Jetter. I'm gonna check that out, right? Happy New Year, insights ko po yan. Yan po yung picks ko today. Tech, Poppy, CIC, Ali, AC, APX, and Primex, right? So, yan po yung titignan natin ngayon. So, let's first check out Tech, right? Bakit ko na-recommend si Tech ngayon? Right, guys, Tech, very solid support right now. Right, kahapon, nag-bounce yan. I shouted it out to the Billionaires Club. Alright, kasi napakaganda ng bounce niya. Right, the support is holding on. And the current bounce niya, nag-negative 3 na nga ito. Kahapon, ang baba pa nito. So, I already gave them a heads up. Ang ganda ng bounce ni Tech sa support niya. Support, pababa yung presyo, but RSI starting to go up. So, we have a divergence. Right, this is looking good for Tech. This support, pwede nyo po i-test buy yung support niyan. Right, wag lang muna kayo mag-all in, hindi pa uptrend yan. So, Tech. Next is Poopy. Yan, si Poopy naman. Yan, si Poopy, holding on to the MA20, but overall, napakamura pa po ni Poopy. For a very good company, positive 73% on the third quarter, second quarter earnings, 500%. I need not say more. But Poopy is good for investing. Maganda po ito long term. Kung bumaba man yan, magbodega lang po kayo ng Poopy. Right? Anytime soon, this should be going up again. This is a very good company. It's under Ayala. So Poopy, yeah, it's showing us a good price action lately. So ilang beses na siya nagtitrigger sa upper Bollinger Band. So, meaning, upside na po yung, nasa taas na po yung pressure niyan. So, paakyat na yan anytime soon. So, Poopy, check it out. Next sa Poopy naman is CIC. Ito, one of my new picks. Ngayon ko lang inano to si CIC. Si CIC, ngayon ko lang nireko ito. but I'm seeing a solid support kay CIC, and yesterday there was massive buying from CIC. Laki ng volume ni CIC yesterday for its usual volume. This is a very good support. We are seeing a divergence at this area right here, so I believe it has bottomed out already. Pababa yung presyo dyan, pero RSI is going up. Right? RSI is there. Paakyat na yung RSI niya. So, I think this has bottomed out already. CIC has bottomed out. And look at this. Earnings. Negative 40 siya sa third quarter. But, okay naman yung second quarter earnings niya. First quarter, negative. Positive naman yung annual earnings niya. But, I am looking at the volume. Baka there's something up with CIC. Baka kumalaw ito. This has bottomed out. Gusto ko lang ito kasi napakaliit ng risk. Alright? Fundamentals wise, it's shaky. But the risk is very small. Napakaganda ng technical analysis. So, I am recommending this. Nagbo-Bollinger Band trigger na siya. Nag-bounce MA20 right there. So, the risk is still very low for CIC. So, pwede nyo pong chupitin ito. Wag lang mag-long term nito kasi the fundamentals is shaky for this company. But the technical analysis is showing very good signs. So, I'm recommending CIC today. Chupit lang yan guys ha. Wag kayong maglo-long term ng hold niyan. Short to mid-term lang yan. Kasi ang ganda ng technical analysis ni CIC. Ali naman. Right, si Ali, ayan. Si Ali showed us a good bounce right here. It's forming a support. This has been holding for 3 days already. Overall, Ali is still very cheap. Right? Nakita nyo sa consensus kanina, 60 pesos pa yung target ni Ali. Ang layo pa niyan. So, Ali, mag-ipon ng mag-ipon so that if it goes up, you're at the good position. Tulad ni Metro Bank. Yan, diba? Sabi ko sa inyo kay Metro Bank, ipon dito, ipon dito, ipon dito. There was an engulfing pattern here. We have a support right here. Support ulit. So, I've been recommending Metro Bank for how many days during this time para makapag-ipon kayo. It's been giving us very good buy levels. And there it is, umakyat na, diba? So, Ali din, it's been giving us very good buy levels here, here, here. So, right now, it's still good to buy. Right? Napakamura pa ni Ali overall. So, pwede nyo pong pasukin yan si Ali. Alright. Next kay Ali is AC. Ito, one of the good positions out there. Napakaliit ng risk. Right here. So, very solid support kay AC. Right? At this area right here, ang ganda ng support ni AC. This is support area. Good price action. Nagsasolidify na siya dyan. We are seeing good bounces. But we are at support area. So, I guess this is a buy already. Mag-ipon na kayo ng AC before yan umakyat. Right? Napaka-solid po ng support area na yan. So, that's our buy level. So, mga hindi pa nakabili ng AC. Right? Next is APX. I'm recommending APX today. Right, si APX, look at that. Good MA20 bounce. So, that's a confirmation. That's a higher low for APX. So, nag-trigger na siya sa upper Bollinger Band. So, you know where this is going. We're betting that this is gonna go up. So, I think it's gonna go up. And there's the MA20 bounce. Overall, napakaliit pa rin ng risk. So, pwede pang habulin. The MA20 is negative 3% away from support. So, somehow, it's at borderline tolerable risk ngayon. If you can go near MA20 as much as you can, yan, yun yung sinasabi ko kahapon, di ba? We checked out APX dito. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, get in near MA20 as much as you can. And there it is. Kinalabit sa MA20 at nag-bounce na. So, I hope nahuli niyo yan. One technique in doing this is yun. You set an alarm at 1.63 para pag na-hit yung 1.63, meron kayong notification na na-hit na 1.63, abangan nyo na yung bounce. So, nahuli nyo sana ito. But still, this is good. Pwede pang habulin yan sa APX. Napakaliit pa rin ng risk. Right, Primex naman. Si Primex, for a very good company, look at the numbers of Primex. Positive 167 to third quarter. Second quarter, 1,400% ang increase. These Primex has been showing us very good numbers lately. It's showing us good price action, very solid support for Primex. So you can test out this support kay Primex. Right? Baka lumipad na naman yan si Primex. So this is a good avenue to buy Primex if you want to. Right? So napaka-solid na ng support na yan. So those are my picks for today. Excuse me. Kati ng ilong ko. Ayan, sorry. Excuse me. Ayan, ito mahirap sa live eh. Wala kang ano eh. Wala kang lusot. Right? ISM. Right? Tingnan natin yung mga requests ninyo. ISM, let's check out ISM. Pula sa ISM yesterday, closed at 5.93. Support is still there for ISM Actually, yung uptrend support niya is still holding on strong. Andyan pa rin. We're still at that level. So, bodega pa rin habang nagsa-stabilize pa si ISM. The Bollinger Band is telling us it's stabilizing, so wala na siyang volatility. Kung bababa man yan, mabagal yung pabagsak niya, you will still have time to cut loss if you're a trader. But again, I'm recommending ISM. So, midterm lang muna ngayon. Antayin natin yung January 31. Alright, January 31, pag na-finalize na yung, what you call this, yung backdoor listing ni Udena with them, that is when you can add more. I believe ISM's gonna move after that day. Kasi yun yung kinatatakutan ng mga tao na lang kay ISM ngayon. Baka hindi matuloy yung backdoor. Kasi there's still that possibility. That's true naman. Next is kay X naman. Ayan, si X. Antayin niyo po yung pullback kay X, right? I've been telling you maganda naman yung price action ni X kahit na pangit yung fundamentals. Right now, we are seeing pullback, so wait for it to go back to its trend line before you wanna get in X. Please, antayin nyo po yan sa retracements nila. Huwag po kayong hahabol dyan sa taas, right? If ever mataas na yan, let it go. Huwag nyo na po habulin yan. Yun, si Aji. Ayan, si Aji, kind of shaky right now. I don't really know if this is a good buy. I want it to stabilize a bit more. Medyo volatile pa kasi siya. Ang hirap i-trade pag ganito. Medyo volatile pa yung position kasi kakaakyat niya pa lang. I think this is gonna be stabilizing anytime soon. Pag nag-stabilize ito si Aji, tingnan natin if mag-sustain yung support niya before I wanna recommend Aji. So right now, wag muna. Alright, hindi ko pa i-recommend si Aji. Alright, ang ganda ng ano nito, ng engulfing dito. This is a good signal to buy Aji. Anyways, yun. Surveyed price movement ni DNL indicating selling half. Alright, DNL, let's check out DNL. Yes, I would say sell half already for DNL. Sa mga pumasok kay DNL, good job, right? So you can sell half pero kaka-breakout lang yan right? Still sustaining the support. I'd say hold it muna if ever it feels, if bumaba pa yan, you can sell half, right? Because this is our new support nasa support levels tayo ngayon kay DNL. So this is from Abner Respicio, right? So yun, next kay AGI, si Pure Gold. Kamustahin natin si Pure Gold. Yan, Pure Gold. Yan, si Pure Gold nagpo-pull back na, right? It's been triggering the upper Bollinger Band. Good volume yesterday. I think Pure Gold is gonna move today, right? Very good pick, right? Good price action, healthy volume. I think Pure Gold is gonna move today, right? If I can add Pure Gold to my pick, we can try that. You can use MA20 as your support. I'm gonna be adding Pure Gold because napakaliit lang na risk dito, for sure, right? This is just 0.68 away from MA20. The main support is 2% lang away. So, napakaliit mo ng risk ninyo kay Pure Gold. This is a very good price for Pure Gold. It's been very consistent, giving us constant earnings. 8% for third quarter, plus 36%. Second quarter, first quarter, plus 11%. Annual earnings, 5%. So, all has been positive most of the time si Pure Gold. So this downtrend should bottom out anytime soon. I think this is the bottoming of Pure Gold already. You can test this out, right? Test buy lang. We're still on sideways movement. Hindi pa uptrend yan. So konti ingat muna kay Pure Gold, right? Huwag maging aggressive, especially manipis pa ang market. Next is TEL naman. Kamustahin natin si TEL still at those levels. Nagsastabilize pa rin yung price ni TEL right? So just waiting for a green. Let's see if we can see a green anytime in the future. I did recommend TEL on this bounce right here. Dito, nirecommend ko si TEL. Somehow, nag-fail yung support niya. But, nag-sustain naman ulit, right? So, still, hindi pa gumagalaw. So, I still think this is a good bottom for TEL. Right? It's just that I want to see more green. Makita ko yung price action na mas gumaganda before I wanna recommend it again. I already recommended that before. So, right now, nakatambay pa rin yung test buy natin dyan. Hindi pa gumagalaw SEC, ito si Semirara. SEC, I still can't recommend it. Hirap We're still on this strong downtrend kay SEC right? So, still really can't recommend SEC. Let's see if it will show us good better price action in the future. kay SCC. But somehow, this is a divergence for SCC, diba? Pababa yung presyo, but RSI is already going up. So anytime soon, this is already a good bottom for SCC. I will wait for it to break this downtrend line before I wanna get in SCC. Okay naman si SCC, third quarter earnings lang. Ito lang sinasabi ko, third quarter earnings is gonna be affecting the stocks a lot. So ito yung third quarter earnings niya, laki na negative, plus the CEO passed away. So yun, those are negative, those usually have negative bearing on a stock, kaya bumababa si SCC. But this is already a healthy bottom for SCC. Anytime soon, this stock should be recovering. So let's see if this divergence will hold out. I want to wait for a breakout before I can say this is good to buy. So as you see right now, wag muna. You don't have to be aggressive, right? So si Bicor, eto, marami na namang naipit kay Bicor. Yan, sabi ko sa inyo, wag niyo po habulin yan anytime soon. This is gonna be pulling back, and there's the pullback, massive pullback yesterday. Laki ng binagsak ni Bicor, ang daming naipit na naman na humabol dyan sa taas. See, wag po kayo maghahabol. It's now at MA20. Let's see if Bicor bounces. Let's see if Bicor bounces at MA20, but right now it's very volatile. It's really hard to tell. It can go up fast, but it can go further down fast. But I think with this stigma yesterday, negative 26, marami po matatakot dyan. So baka mag-collapse ito sa Bicor. So antayin lang po natin mag-stabilize. I really don't like getting in very volatile situations. This is a very volatile position, especially if ever position trader ka lang. So konting ingat. Right. MPI naman, so MPI, I'm recommending this. May nagtanong kanina, Sir Lloyd, anong isa sa mga stock na gusto nyo i-recommend for long term? I would strongly recommend MPI for long term, SMPH, BDO, JFC, of course. Ayan. Those are for long term stocks. Isa ito si MPI. Ang ganda ng mga projects ni MPI. Right, this company's been giving us good numbers. Second quarter earnings positive 25%, third quarter earnings 10%, first quarter 36%, annual earning 13%. So this has been giving us good number. The company's doing well and marami pa silang projects. This is still very cheap. Magbodega po kayo ng MPI, especially sa mga kakasimula lang. This is one of my lessons of trading. Right? Kakasimula nyo pa lang mag-trade. These are the technical analysis and fundamentals you should be looking for. Why are you not getting in these companies kung starters pa lang kayo? I recommend getting in these companies. Ito yung mga i-trade po ninyo. Right? Magsimula po kayo dito. Huwag po kayo maiinggit sa mga lumilipad na. Right? You'll get to that level eventually. But right now, if you're still starting, start with these companies. Right? So, MPI. I don't see any reason bakit walang MPI sa support ninyo ngayon. Unless na gusto niyo po mabilis na kitaan. Right? Napaka-solid ng support. What else can you ask for? This is a very solid support for a very good company. That's your buy levels. Buy on dips MPI. Right? Diyan po kayo MPI. Our goal here in trading is not really to win it all. Right? It's about winning. And if you start winning, you're consistently winning, especially in these stocks, you're gonna do better on the second liner, mga basura stocks. Right? Dito pa nga lang, hindi kayo manalo-nalo. Doon pa kaya sa mga basura stocks na yan. Diba? So, umpisahan nyo po dito. Next up kay MPI is MEG. It's 9:20 in the morning, so I'll do my best na makover natin lahat. Si MEG naman, ayan, si MEG, let's check out MEG. Ang lakas na resistance ni MEG, right? I really don't like the resistance of MEG right now. I could be wrong. This is, though, forming a good support at this area. As much as possible, you enter at this support right here. Or if it does a breakout, it attempted a breakout one time pero nag-fail. So let's see if it's gonna break out again. You're in the middle of support and resistance already. So huwag niyo po habulin yan. Just wait for it to go back to support or wait for it to do a breakout at least. At least maliit ang risk ninyo. Right? For MEG. CLI. Si CLI naman is doing good. It's been showing us good price action. Nagre-resistance na siya ngayon. So, if you still want to make habol kay CLI, antayin nyo po yung breakout niya. Pwede breakout strategy. Right? The Bollinger Band is constricted. That's stabilizing already. It's touching the upper Bollinger Band actually. So, maganda ang senyales ni CLI. Baka mag-upturn na yan anytime soon. You can test out CLI. Actually, tagal ko na sinabi magbodega kay CLI. Bumaba dito. This is a good avenue para magbodega sana. There's another avenue for bodega. Right now, umaakit na siya. So, for CLI, still a good buy for me. Alright, it's a good company. Mag-ipon po kayo na mag-ipon. IDC, ayan, yung sinasabi ko. It's been clipping the upper Bollinger Band. So, those are good signs usually. And then, nagtuloy-tuloy na. Yun nga lang, I don't want you to go after this. RSI is already at 70. Mataas na po yan. It's at overbought levels already. Huwag nyo pong habulin yan. Baka maipit lang kayo. Wait for it to do a retracement before you wanna get back in IDC. Diba? Sabi ko sa inyo, this is a good company. Just magbodega lang kayo doon sa baba. Sa baba kayo magbodega, please. Right? Next ay IDC is Tugo. Ayan, si Tugo naman. Kamusta natin si Tugo? Sa MA20, pag nag-green yan, yes, I want you to test by Tugo. May linuluto daw sila. I'm just confirming that right now. Right? So, don't worry. If ever meron po ako makuha mga insider information, hindi po ako madamot. Bibigay ko po sa inyo yan. Right? So, Tugo, I'm watching out for Tugo. Right? So, Vulcan naman. Vulcan. Right, so Vulcan nagtitrigger. This is what we've been talking about yesterday. It's been triggering the lower Bollinger Band dito. So, I think it's gonna go down and bumaba pa nga. So, still, iwas lang po muna kay Vulcan. Right? Nasa lower Bollinger Band pa rin tayo kay Vulcan. Stay away lang muna. APX. Right, APX naman, yun, good MA20 bounce. Yeah, we talked about APX already. That's the MA20 bounce. Pwede pang habulin yan. Green. Eto, may nagtatanong about green. Yan, si green. Engulfing pattern. So, this is good for green. Kaso nga lang, I really don't like these kinds of stocks na lumipad na eh. Right? Lumipad na si green actually. This is the flight of green. So, if you wanna test it out, yes, this is good price action for green. Pwede nyo i-testing ito. Right? The best was here, dito sa baba. When green opens, sabi ko sa inyo, antayin nyo po mag-bottom out yan. Opening, huwag kayo maging aggressive. This was the best buy point. I have a friend here in Cebu. Shout out to Clint. Ang laki ng gain niya kay green when he was patient enough to see this higher low movement right here kay green. So, that was the best entry point for green. Right now, medyo mataas na eh. I think, kinain na ni green ang growth niya. But it's stabilizing, right? If you want to test it out, you can use you can look for a new support here. This is a new support for green. Pwede nyo po i-testing yan. I don't want to recommend it anymore kasi lumipad na eh. Mataas na si green. PXP naman, there's speculation pa rin kay green kasi dahil kay Dennis Uy, kay PXP. So somehow it's showing us good price action but resistance is there, so I don't wanna recommend that. If gusto niyo humabol kay PXP, wait for it to do a breakout before you wanna get in. At least meron pa kayong basis sa cut loss ninyo. Last two na lang po kasi it's already 9:24. Next up is PHR. May PHR ba? Wala. I think mali ito. ISM, we talked about ISM already. ABG, ito si ABG. It's at MA20, so this is good. If you wanna test out ABG, you can test out MA20. Ang problema ko lang dito, ang daming dama kay ABG, and I don't want you to be aggressive. That's why I'm not recommending it. But if you can trade, test out the MA20, right? Test out the MA20. Alright, pasensya na guys. It's already 9:24. I know napakarami pa po ng mga request ninyo. But I strongly recommend, hindi ko pa masasagot yan lahat. So I strongly recommend you join our Discord group. Ayan, yung Discord group po natin, this is the Discord chat room. Ayan, dito, makikita nyo po ang mga tao, mga newbies dito, mga traders dito. Nagtutulungan po ang mga tao dito. Investors Lounge, so mga investors na gustong investors lang ang tinitingnan nila, you can use this room. Right? Charting discussions, kung gusto nyo po mag-request ng charting, marami po mga galing dyan na tumutulong sa charting. This can help you a lot. Right? Sorry about that. This is the Discord group. This can help you a lot, especially if you're a newbie. So, join the Discord group. Right? Download Discord and then click on the invitation link nasa video description sa baba. This will help you if you're a newbie. Join our community. It's a very healthy community. Minsan, may mga makukulit, but as much as possible, we're controlling it. But this is the goal of the community, is really to help each other. Yan. So, it's a Thursday. Yan. It's a Thursday today. Market is still looking good. So, pwede po kayo. Don't stop. investing. Don't stop investing, especially for investors, right? Wag lang masyadong aggressive ngayon. Manipis pa po ang volume ng stock market natin. So, that's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. We'll talk about a better topic again tomorrow. See you at the Daily Grind. As always, let's get rich together. Have a great day. Bye-bye, guys.